unboxing the Shoei Glamster helmet. And let's take a look what's inside the box. I bought this helmet for the retro style and the color, white, red, and blue. Perfect match for the hologram. You have the Pinlock anti-fog shield. There's also a booklet, owner's manual. There's also a underneath chin guard. I guess it's to keep the bugs out. Some packing bubbles. And let's take a look at the helmet. Comes in a storage bag. I had quite a few Shoei helmet. The fit and finish is always superb. Mostly white with blue and red stripes. Glossy white finish. Top air vent. And with 4 bottom vents. Very easy to open and close with no issue. And it comes with a clear shield. At the time of ordering the helmet, there wasn't any smoke shield available. So when I ride, I have to put on a pair of sunglasses. Inside, the how to use manual. Fishnet chin guard to keep out the bugs from your helmet. Probably won't use this piece. And how to use the helmet manual. Silicone oil. Also get a sticker. So far, I like that helmet very much. It was hard to tell from the pictures when ordering online. It's very lightweight. This is the inside of the helmet, lots of padding. To me, it was very comfortable to wear the helmet. It has D-ring straps. It's time to go for a ride and test out that helmet. Thanks for watching, unboxing the Shoei helmet.